Hello, how are you? Welcome to this WordPress course. We are going to see how to easily build our website with WordPress. In principle, we will work with a free hosting. We will not need to buy anything or rent anything or put any credit card or our current account. We will simply build our WordPress site with a free hosting. This course is oriented for people who have never touched WordPress. That is to say, it is a beginner's course. Obviously, there are more advanced things, many more things that can be done with WordPress, and that in this case we will not touch. It would be an entry course exclusively to start working with a hosting and WordPress and see all the changes in structure, content, design, and basic SEO that we can do with it. Then, later on, I will obviously expand the whole part of e-commerce and WordPress and management,